What's up, my beautiful people? This is my client, and her hair is freshly washed. Gonna blow dry it, and as soon as I'm done with that, I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do today. So I'm gonna use the Ghana braids, 2 packs. I need my edge wax. Guys, please remember to use a number 8 to 10, because less than that you'll just get grease and you won't get a bun. So that is what I normally use, and that holds my braids together. And so you also need your edge comb, and you also need a tail comb, a rat tail comb that will help you get your parts precise. So I'll get back to you in a few. Thank you. Okay guys, so I'm going to do a modern braid style. Remember that sectioning is very important. So I already sectioned the hair, and then I'm gonna do some braiding, and then I'll take a break so you guys can go have a drink. It's hot, and come back when I'm almost done. I'm gonna show you what I did and how I achieved this beautiful braid style. Thank you. One section is finished, and then we're moving to the other section, and we're gonna start that, and then I'm gonna come right back and you'll see the next row. See you soon. It's your girl, Miss Fabulous. I'm right here. So guys, we're almost there. We're still going on. As you can see, we're working on it. Okay? See you soon. I'm gonna do the last row. So I'm gonna finish this up and then I'm gonna come back and you'll see the finishing. Okay, it's your girl Miss Fabulous. We're still here working together. See you soon. So guys, this is the second row, 2 down, 1 to go. I had plait the back because I wanted it to be flat and neat, and I wanted it to have volume and hair. I wanted a lot of hair at the back, and so I did some plaits at the back, and that's the second row. And then we're gonna finish the third row, and then I'm gonna come back and show you the finished look. Don't you just love this? I love it. Nice and neat.